Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I'm back! I'm back!
So since last November the crypto market was slow decline, and in 2022 we lost all 2021 gains. With so much uncertainty in crypto market, we have a lot of questions about future of crypto, Bitcoin and altcoins. So when this bear market will end? So guys, stay with me and we're going to dive deep into this topic and I'm going to answer all your questions.
I have several questions.
As always, my name is Julia and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And guys, thank you for joining my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to grow it more so more people can understand crypto better. Hit that notification bell in order not to miss my videos. Don't forget to like and comment this video. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you see more live content on Instagram and see more posts about crypto on my Twitter. I'll appreciate your support so much. Let's come back to our topic.
So let's do this thing!
So before we start, let's just say nobody can predict the future. Some people will tell you about Bitcoin that it will drop to $12,000 and then it will confidently go back to previous all-time high. Or some people will say that this bear market can stay here for 2 or 3 years, but it's just for 6 months. But all you should know is that everything can change any day and you will not expect that. And all analysis that people said before will not cost anything. For example, tomorrow Apple, Microsoft and Tesla each will buy $1 million of Bitcoin and that will change everything. Or different stuff can happen, so all you have to know is where is good price to buy, have your own strategy and stick to it. Today I'm going to bring you all the news and enlighten you with the information you probably need to know. But before, do your fundamental analysis and your own research. Still, it will help you to understand what's going on in market right now. And just a quick reminder guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so take this additional information for you and always do your own research before investing into crypto. So first question will be, is we are in the bear market right now. Logically, during bear market is when Bitcoin price will go lower and lower and all altcoins are heavily correlated to Bitcoin, so it's all go down as well. Also, let's remember, the crypto market suddenly resumed a bullish trend after Bitcoin might multiply lower lows. So good news, it will change. Bad news, it can be quiet for a long time to wait. As many of you will know, the crypto market seems to follow a 4-year cycle, and that's because of Bitcoin halving schedule. A Bitcoin halving is when the payout for mining a new block is halved, and this happens after every 210,000 blocks, approximately 4 years. The first of which happened in 2012 and the next will occur in 2024. This event is referred to as halving because it cuts in half the rate at which new bitcoins are released into circulation. This is Bitcoin's way of enforcing price inflation until all bitcoins are released. Let's recall, if supply of something restrict, then demand for this stays the same or increases in price. This is why Bitcoin price always increases after each Bitcoin halving. The last Bitcoin halving happened in May 2020 and that's when bull time happened, guys. So according to Bitcoin halving, we know that probably we will stay in this bear market phase for another 12 or 18 months, or maybe real crypto bear market will be start in November 2022. But next Bitcoin halving will happen in 2 years, so Bitcoin could fall more. Also, let's not forget about stock market cycle, which also affects Bitcoin price. Investors and traders treat cryptocurrency the same way they treat stocks, so prices tend to trend the same. So you should be cautious when investing in cryptocurrency because it is still new, the market is exploring its role as an asset. Recently, Bitcoin has traded more like a tech stock or more similar to SP 500, yet there is evidence that this is more of a recent trend and that Bitcoin actually has been uncorrelated to the stock market for quite some time. Bitcoin's correlation to the S&P 500 also hit similar levels in early May. In June, the correlation between Bitcoin and the S&P 500 fell to around 0.5. The ultimate hope for Bitcoin becoming uncorrelated to the stock market is that it will not be subject to economic policies that so often cause ups and downs in equities. Additionally, if Bitcoin trades separately from the stock market, it is viewed almost as a badge of honor for Bitcoin's development from a spectacular volatile asset to a necessary component for all portfolios. So just look at all markets, not just crypto market, look at stock market, even I think property market will go down. Look at all global economic system, always, it's all connected, guys, even though crypto is decentralized. Bitcoin's long-term outlook is for much higher prices, but no one is confident that the bottom is in place. In short, the experts don't actually know and can't know where the bottom will be for Bitcoin. As with any investment you will expect to recover, it might be wise to hold on until it realizes. After all, bear markets usually offer the lowest asset prices, but the key is to choose assets that will come back when the market rights itself. So guys, let's look at the news and article to understand where we are and where Bitcoin will go next. Guys, let's look at the different article, and for example this one, for Bitcoin to bottom, here's what the market wants to see, and it could mean a further 30% drop. Improved micro picture. Bitcoin has been hurt by the macroeconomic situation of soaring inflation that has forced the US Federal Reserve and other central banks into hiking interest rates, which has hurt risk assets such as stocks. As I said before, cryptocurrencies have seen some correlation with US stock market and have fallen in tandem with stocks. I think if inflation is under control, the economy is under control. If there are clues that the economy and inflation are getting under control, that could help the crypto market find the bottom. If we see signs of this month or even over the next few months, it will give more confidence to the market that the bottom is in across all risks assets, including equities and crypto. Let's look at this information about trading pattern. There could be a capitulation candle where the price of Bitcoin drops even further and wipes out the last remaining weak hands before moving back up strongly. If this happens, that indicates liquidity has been captured at lower levels and the market is now ready to go back up. Also, this happened in March 2020 when Bitcoin fell more than 30% in a day before steadily climbing over the subsequent weeks. A second pattern could be an accumulating phase where Bitcoin bottom and spends a few months trading within a range before moving higher. In both cases, that could be Bitcoin drop further between 13,000 to 14,000, which will be a roughly 30% drop from the cryptocurrency price on Wednesday. We can see that Bitcoin at between 13 and 15,000 is possibility, but if institutional investors step in, then could help to support prices. Last, guys, let's look at the fear and greed index. We see that we're in extreme fear 24 right now, and we've been in extreme fear for a quite long time. So for example, yesterday it was worse because we were at 21, and last month, oh crazy, it been extreme fear number 9. This is insane. So according to this information, we're a little bit higher than previous months, which is really good, but maybe we're coming closer to that bottom of Bitcoin I've been talking about. Guys, if you really like this information and video, let me know in the comments, and in my next video I can tell you how to buy Bitcoin right now, because nobody knows where bottom is. You can invest in Bitcoin all your money right now when Bitcoin is $20,000, but then Bitcoin can drop to 12 or 13 or 15 and you will regret that you didn't wait. So in my next video I can share my secrets how I'm buying Bitcoin wisely with my own strategies. So let me know in the comment if you want to hear this information from me, guys, and I will definitely do the video. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate your support and I love you guys. See you in my next video.